So friend, this is the area where you will get entrance and for exit as well. So hello viewers, this is me Aman Khan and welcome back to another vlog. And आज मैं आया हूँ अपने स्पेशल सुपरमार्केट में जो कि खोबर में अवेलेबल है, लुलु हाइपर मार्केट। एंड यस, इसके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं एंड ये मिडिल ईस्ट में बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस है। तो आइए देखते हैं कि लुलु हाइपर मार्केट में क्या क्या मिलता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये है अपर सेक्शन एंड डाउन के सेक्शन में आपको देखने को मिलती है ग्रोसरी आइटम्स, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक फूड वगैरह एंड फेशियल के आइटम्स, मतलब कुकिंग के आइटम्स ज़्यादा आपको देखने को मिलते हैं डाउन फ्लोर में। ये है फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड यहाँ आपको देखने को मिलता है पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स प्लस क्लोथ्स। तो ये है कुछ इसकी एंट्रेंस। एंड लुलु हाइपर मार्केट में कुछ ना तो कुछ नया होता रहता है। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक you will get a variety of challenges, there will be a festivals of each and everything, and you can find varieties of items in Lulu Hypermarket Al Khobar. And they also have the home delivery service, so if you want to buy online you can buy it from their website, which I can give you in the link in description. And Lulu Hypermarket is so famous in Middle East. Now let's see how it is. स्टार्टिंग के पॉइंट में ही आपको देखने को मिलते हैं ये कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इधर भी बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है। एंड इधर आपको बहुत ही सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स देखने को मिल जाएंगे, इंक्लूडिंग मोबाइल के एसेसरीज, टीवी, एलईडीज, लैपटॉप, गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स एंड बहुत कुछ आपको देखने को मिलता है। एंड उधर कुछ स्टेशनरी वगैरह आइटम्स है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कूल ऑफिस वर्क, बुक वगैरह, पेन वगैरह उधर आपको देखने को मिलता है। एंड लुलु हाइपर मार्केट में आपको बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलता है। फॉर एग्जांपल इधर बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं, शोज होते रहते हैं एंड इधर सेलिब्रेशन भी होते रहते हैं, बहुत कुछ इधर मिलता है आपको। तो अगर आप कहीं मिडिल ईस्ट में है या खोबर में कहीं पे भी है, विजिट करें लुलु हाइपर मार्केट को एंड देखें। एंड अगर आपने कभी विजिट नहीं करा है तो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करता हूँ। एंड गाइस, इफ यू आर वरीड अबाउट where to buy the electronics, you can buy it from Lulu Hypermarket Al Khobar. And you don't have to worry about the electronics because I have bought Lulu Hypermarket Al Khobar 2 mobiles and 2 LEDs from the past years and they are working fine. So I can recommend you to buy from Lulu Hypermarket. And every Wednesday and I guess every Wednesday you can find a new offers and new promotion. Have you ever wondered that you want all the necessary items, for example like cooking items, cookware items, grocery items, clothing items, electronics at one place or at one store? Well, you don't have to worry. You can visit Lulu Hypermarket Al Khobar where you will find all types of items for each of the categories. So visit Lulu Hypermarket Al Khobar. So friends, let me tell you a story of mine. I was a 9-year-old kid. This Lulu was opened in 2009 in Saudi Arabia and this was the first Lulu which opens in Al Khobar, and this is my city where I live. So I and my parents went over there and the very first day it was so crowded that we cannot even walk properly, but then we used to it and our primary supermarket is Lulu Hypermarket in Al Khobar. We usually go over there and buy some of the house products. So friends, this is the clothing area where you can find the varieties of clothes for boys, girls, ladies and gents including, and yeah, for babies also. So this is the area, and here you can find the shoes section also. That is the shoes section for ladies, gents, boys, girls, for everyone. And that side we have it's basically the other side of the part. The other side was electronics, and there you will find electronics and mobile phones, mattresses, so like that items you will find over there. And this side you will find over shoes, clothing and cosmetics and ladies items. For example, here you can see, and this is the baby section where you can find the clothes for babies. Let me remind you that this is Lulu Hypermarket Alcover, in which you will get a varieties of promotions and offers every Wednesday. Okay, let me show you the entrance of this section. As you can see over there, there are some toys section. So if you have a baby girl, baby boy, you can buy them for toys. And this is the entrance. This is the entrance. As you can see, behind me there are some clothes for boys and girls. So you will find different types of clothes and shoes over here. So friends, this is the section where you can find the items for ladies, as you can see. And here you will find Indian dresses like churidars, lehenga, and they are really good. So as you can see, this is the shop. Here you will find all kinds of ladies suits and different types of varieties. So friends, this is the section where you will find the blankets, and on the right you will find, on the left, on the left you will find all types of clothes for girls, boys, ladies, gents. And there is a special shop for ladies where you can find Indian dresses, and here you will find shoes items also. And this is the area where you will find items like travel items, for example bag and sports items, as you can see. And that is the area where you will find varieties of electronics items, for example refrigerator, washing machines, laptops, mobile phones, etc. So that is the electronics area. So friends, this was the vlog of Lulu Hypermarket in Alcover, and I would surely recommend you to visit this Lulu Hypermarket Alcover, because you will get varieties of items for food, including electronics also. You will get varieties of items, different types of companies you will get, and there are many more options, okay, for clothing, shoes. You will get all types of necessary items in Lulu Hypermarket Alcover. So first of all, I would like to thank you, Lulu Hypermarket, for allowing me to shoot over here, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care, my lovely friends.